Hey, what's up? It's your friend Michael Dela Cruz, and chances are you're struggling to build your own email list, and you want to know what to do about it. You want to know how to succeed. Well, in case you didn't know, building your email list is actually one of the main ingredients to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the single most important thing you need to know when building your email list. So stay tuned. Okay, so before I share with you, the single most important thing you need to know about building your email list. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit those thumbs up because it helps this video out. Because I want to give value. I need your help to share this with the world because these are things that actually are going to help you succeed. I'm going to help others that are struggling to succeed as well. So the single most important thing you need to know when you build your email list is this one thing. You must learn to build a relationship with this list, right? That's gonna really make an impact. And the way you build a relationship with the list is by actually sharing value. Me myself, I remember when I built my email list, I actually was sending emails to my list and none of them were opening my emails. Nobody was buying anything from me. Because you build your email list because this is your audience, right? This is the people, your audience that you own, right? So you actually have different things to send to them, to offer to them. But guess what? Nobody, for a period of time, nobody was buying anything from me, and I was like, damn, what the heck is going on? So, I found a mentor who taught me, who made me realize that the reason why is because these people did not know me yet. I did not have that relationship yet for them to buy anything from me. Like, why should they buy something from a stranger just like that, right? So you must understand, when you build your email list, if nobody's buying anything from you, right away, that means that these people, they don't know you yet. They got to, you need to give them time to know you. You need to actually share value with them, because that way, when you do that, you're showing that you care about them, you care about their success. So teach your list, your email list, teach them how to do things, and know who your email list is. You got to know, you got to know who these people are. You got to know your audience. Who do you have on your email list? What do they want to know about? What do they want, right? What do they want to learn? So, for example, me, my audience, these people want to make money online. They want to earn income on the internet, and that's something that's struggling. Because I know this, because when they subscribe to my landing page, that's what my landing page offers, is a way for them to earn income online. So they want to learn more about it. So what I email them about is how to actually make them better, how to really get them, one step closer to making their dream income from the internet. Okay, so you got to know your audience. If your audience is weight loss, you got to tell them, or you got to message them information how they can lose weight, give them some tips. And then when you educate them, and with time, they trust you, because they see that you care about them, then they're gonna start actually buying, into your offers. But if all you're doing is buy this, buy that, and you oversell into your email list, then guess what? They're gonna be unresponsive. They're not gonna open your emails anymore, and they're not gonna buy nothing from you because you overselling them, and they're gonna, they're thinking that you're there to just sell them stuff, and you'll be the only person that will be winning from this, right? So make sure that when you're building your email list, that you're building a relationship with this list. Make a video, do a screenshot, do something, send them a post, a Facebook video, something educational, something of value that's gonna make your audience better, this person better, and email them to that. And guess what? With time, as they get to trust, like, and know you, then they're gonna eventually buy stuff from you. All right, so that's it for today. That's the number one, or the single most important thing you need to know when you're building an email list, is that before somebody's gonna buy anything from you, they have to first know, trust, and like you, right? They have to first build a relationship with you. You have to nurture your email list, build this relationship with them. And that's all I got for today. And if you want to learn more about what I do from home to earn income and truly redesign my lifestyle and how you can do it too, go ahead and click the link below this video and access a free video. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz, and we'll see you in the next video.